What is the best way to file no-fault divorce paperwork correctly? Imagine this: you're ready to move on from your marriage, but the paperwork feels overwhelming. Don't worry, filing for a no-fault divorce can be straightforward if you follow the right steps. Let's walk through how to do it correctly so you can avoid delays and get your final divorce smoothly. First, you need to meet the residency requirement. In Pennsylvania, at least one spouse must have lived in the state for 6 months before filing. This is a key step to make sure your case is accepted by the court. Next, decide which type of no-fault divorce fits your situation. You can go for a mutual consent divorce if both spouses agree the marriage is over. Or, if you have been living separate and apart for at least 1 year, you can file for a separation divorce. Each type has specific paperwork and procedures. For a mutual consent divorce, one spouse files a divorce complaint. The other spouse must be served with the paperwork, either in person or by certified mail. After service, there is a waiting period of 90 days. During this time, both spouses can sign affidavits confirming they agree to the divorce. Once the affidavits are filed, the court can issue a divorce decree without a hearing, as long as all financial issues are settled. For a separation divorce, the spouse filing must include proof that the couple has lived apart for at least 1 year. They also need to file a complaint stating the marriage is irretrievably broken. The other spouse must be served with the complaint. If the other spouse does not contest, the court will grant the divorce after reviewing the paperwork. If there are disagreements, a hearing might be scheduled. When filing, make sure you use the official court forms for your county. These forms include the divorce complaint, affidavits, and sometimes additional documents. Fill out each form completely and accurately. Keep copies of everything you file and proof of service, like a signed receipt or affidavit of service. It's important to file all documents before the deadlines. For example, after serving the other spouse, wait the required 90 days for mutual consent or 1 year for separation. Then, file your affidavits and any final documents with the court. Before finalizing, double-check that all financial issues like property, debts, and support are resolved. This helps avoid surprises later. If you're unsure about any step, consult a family law attorney or visit your local court's self-help center for guidance. Remember, using the correct forms, serving documents properly, and meeting all deadlines are key to filing your no-fault divorce correctly. Staying organized and following these steps will help you get through the process efficiently and with less stress.